Jeez. There it is. Wow, this is a drift.
Should have put our dugout over here.
Look what the storm blew in. So in there is our water trailer. Looks like we're gonna have to blow it out. Really good storm. The wind came from the northeast. We never had a storm like this in the 12, 13 seasons that we've been here on this property. We're happy with the snow because it'll be a lot of water in the spring when it melts, but definitely a bit of work here to be done to get this trailer out. But that's why we have a tractor. Probably been about 2 hours right now. I think we've gotten pretty far. I didn't think would be this challenging, we'll say, but I think we're doing great. We got a bit more digging to do there to get our trailer out. I think we've gotten pretty far. I think this may be roughly around 4 hours of work or so, 3-4 hours of work. There's a bit more yet to get done. Okay, phone's charged. We're gonna get back at her. I was kind of doing some work while the phone was charging. I just didn't want to lose any daylight. We've been starting to dig out the actual trailer. We're gonna pull on it pretty soon, maybe with the tractor or the truck, and try and just loosen it from the grip of the snowdrift. But we'll see how it goes. I think we're getting there. I think maybe another 20 minutes and we'll be done. This is wild.